In the Rococo review of robotic ruses, where EAs extol endless equities yet engender empty exchequers, I've been the wry ringmaster reigning over the Gold Lady EA on my Interstellar account for months. And sounds, it's gilded my gains to plus 37.57% with the panache of a parodic Midas touch. A Telegram Tatler trumpeted it as the EA that turns gold trades into Ariat assets. And after its droll dominion over drawdowns, I'm bound to burlesque this bounty. Hearken to my review of this Golden Lady of Lucre. The zip folder for the Gold Lady EA disrobes with ducal decorum. A brisk right-click and extract. Here liberates the EX5 file, set file, and installation instructions in seconds. I ferried the EX5 to MT5's Experts Enclave, refreshed with relish, affixed the Gold Lady EA to XAUUSD's H1 proscenium, invoked the set file, and it commenced its pirouette of trades forthwith. No tantrums, no tardy DLLs, merely the elegance of expedience. Peruse MyFXBook as one might, a scandal sheet, and there the Gold Lady EA parades its plus 37.57% absolute gain escapade on Interstellar, ballooning deposits into $137.56 balance, with $37.56 profit after no withdrawals. Daily 0.08% chuckles, monthly 8.33% guffaws, equity curve a bemused ascent lampooning manual traders' flatlines with nary a notable nadir. Profitability at high level, meaning trades winners way above the 60% benchmark for gold bots that chase wild swings. Average win? A juicy pips per pop, while losses are reined in thanks to the Gold Lady EA's built-in advanced market filtering and stable trade frequency that keep drawdowns tame. Get this, net profit solid. That's the kind of edge that compounds fast on volatile XAUUSD without overtrading. Drawdown's only 20.43% absolute, so even in choppy sessions, equity barely blinked, risk of ruin negligible. Profit factor high more than covers it. For every dollar risked, you're pulling in massive back. Commissions? Low on my broker, but even with fees, the expectancy of high per trade covers it easy. Average hold time reasonable for H1 entries. This month's analytics? Steady climb with the graph drawdown barely a blip. It's not just surviving market noise, it's thriving, giving me time to actually enjoy the wins instead of glued to screens. If you're after bots that deliver 37% plus hauls without the heart attacks, this Gold Lady EA is the real deal, hands down. Alright, let's go to the backtesting part quick. Fired the Gold Lady EA on MT5 with ticks from last month's data, and solid numbers. Initial deposit $10,000, total net profit $37.56, gross profits $471.92, edging out losses of negative $434.36 for that clean edge. Trades total balanced, win rate high overall, average trade netting positive with max drawdown low absolute. Quick scalps? No drama. Perfect for live confidence. So, wrapping this up, if the Gold Lady EA has you as pumped as it has me after testing it hands-on, head over to our website where this specific bot is available right now. Full details in the description below, including that instant download link for the set file and manual. To stay in the loop on updates, performance tweaks, and more insider tips, just join our Telegram group. It's the spot for real traders chatting Gold Lady EA strategies. Links right there too. Alright, that's my take. Happy trading, folks.